Hey there everyone, how's everyone doing? It's Anna here, and I've got some pretty exciting news to share about a fantastic product called Java Burn. If you're curious and ready to dive into all the juicy details, then stick around because I've got you covered. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, I do want to make sure that you know that you can find all the detailed information on the official website. I have it linked conveniently for you guys in the description below. So be sure to check it out for even more insights and the real deal, okay? All right, now let's get into what makes Java Burn so special. You know, a lot of people online have been buzzing about Java Burn, what it's all about, how it works, and whether it really lives up to the hype. Well, let me tell you, Java Burn is making quite the splash as a top-notch natural supplement in the market right now. So I know you might be asking, what's all the fuss about? It's a one-of-a-kind blend that taps into the power of natural ingredients to support you on your weight loss journey. Made from top quality components, and here's the best part, it's completely safe for your body, so no need to stress and worry about any weird, nasty side effects. Java Burn is designed to fire up your metabolism, boost your energy levels, and help you burn fat. Plus, it's loaded with antioxidants, which are great for your overall well-being. With Java Burn, you can enjoy your cup of coffee with total confidence. And for the best results, they do recommend making Java Burn a part of your daily coffee routine. And hey, it's a super convenient and tasty way to kickstart your day too. Keep in mind though, Java Burn is suitable for both women and men. Whether you're looking to shed a few extra pounds or just want an extra boost to get your day going the right way, Java Burn has got you covered. But here's the deal. Consistency is key when it comes to getting the most out of Java Burn, you guys. If you're serious about reaching your weight loss goals, you have to make sure to incorporate your daily dose of Java Burn into your routine, or you're not going to see a difference. According to the folks behind Java Burn, with dedication to the regimen, you can expect some pretty impressive results in no time. So stay focused because Java Burn could be a total game changer on your journey to a healthier and happier you. And remember, all the information you need can be found on the official website, so make sure to check it out. Thank you guys for hanging with me today, and I hope that you all have an amazing day ahead. I'll see you guys later. Bye!